Hello everyone, my name is Anggi and welcome to my channel. In this channel, we're talking about money, personal finance, and how to get closer into your dream life. In this video, I would like to talk about some tips you need to know before you start investing. Let's just dive in. The first tip, having money rolling in every month. Having money rolling in every month, aka you got a cash flow, you got a positive cash flow every month, or it also means that you spend less than what you earn, is one of the good signs that you already good at managing your money. By doing so, it also means that you don't need to reach for your credit card in the end of the month just because you're running out of cash. I made a video about how to use your credit card properly. I put it somewhere on the screen. Please watch the video just to make sure you know what you're doing with your credit card. By living below your means, it will make you have positive cash flow to play with in the end of the month. You can use this positive cash flow to work for your own good. For example, if right now you still have a debt, especially debt with high interest rate, you can use this positive cash flow to start pay off your debt. And when you got to a certain point that you are debt free, yeah, I'm very happy for you. You can use this positive cash flow to start building your savings. Talking about saving, it leads us to the second tips that we're going to talk about here. So, the second tip is you have to make sure that you have sufficient emergency fund. Yeah, everybody is talking about emergency fund, right? It sounds so boring. Saving for your holiday sounds more fun, right? But listen, emergency fund is very, very important. It's like you are driving a car with a seat belt. Emergency fund plays as a seat belt in your financial life. When you got emergency event happen to your life, such as you got laid off from your job, just like that, emergency fund will buy you sometimes to give you enough time to figure things out, do things that you really need to do to make sure you get back on track. If you want to understand more about emergency fund, how much do you need, where do you should put your money, you can watch this video, so I don't need to repeat myself. Now, let's go to the tips number 3. Invest your knowledge before invest your money. The philosophy of investment is an activity that moves you from point A to point B financially. The terms like business, stock market, property is just kind of a vehicle that help you move from point A to point B. No matter what vehicle you choose as your investment, it's gonna take some time until your investment show its result. You cannot do any investment if you need the result now. It's gonna take time. That's why I mentioned in the previous tips that we're gonna need money rolling in every month, aka positive cash flow, and emergency fund to stabilize our money life. So while we're waiting for our investment to show its performance, what should we do? Oh well, enjoy your life, guys. Building your business, do your job. Enjoy your life, be happy. Live your life without money anxiety because you know that you already make a good move taking care of yourself today and in the future. That sounds like live happily ever after, right? I hope you enjoyed this video. Feel free to share it with your friends and family. Help me spread this message so we can help and reach more people. Feel free to follow me in Instagram. Don't forget to send me DM just to say hi. Let's continue our conversation in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe. Click the notification bell so you will be notified next time I upload new video. Bye!